also there is another quote. In the words of Franklin Roosevelt, we cannot always build the future for our youth, but we can build the youth for the future. On this auspicious day, I also want to represent my views on the shared future of democracy. The spirit of democracy cannot come from the outside, it must come from within. These are the words of Mahatma Gandhi. But why? Why are we talking about the role of youth in the democracy? As it said, democracy has emerged one of the most successful forms in our governance. But unfortunately, the youth of India participation has relatively decreased. My dear listener, the youth of India has been waiting with the open arms to grab the opportunities. Like we are thinking and we are working on our goals 24/7. We want India to have best infrastructure, to have best ever higher education. We want best affordable healthcare system. But my question is this legacy we are talking about? I ask you, is this legacy we are talking about? युवा ही देश का भविष्य है और इस अखंड राष्ट्र के भविष्य के निर्माण की योग्यता रखता है. Youth has the potential. There is only need to give them a good chance and the resources. But today, if we flip the page, the youth of India has felt isolated and dispersed. They think that their voice won't be heard. They have developed a lack of interest in the politics. So let's answer, how can we increase the role of youth in the democracy? We can add them to the decision makings, and this make them to feel proud of our nation, and this can make our nation much stronger and brighter, and this also lead them to their development also. So the conclusion of my speech is, we are the youth of our India. We can develop our skills with more dedication and hard work to make our country proud. Thank you one and all present here for listening.